What's up, my little pineapples? So we're over here on a super special edition of my channel because today I'm going to show you guys how I self-tan. Today I'm going to do a new product, and so I'm also reviewing this product because I've never used this before, but I heard a lot of great things about it. So I'm just going to give it a try and tell you guys if I like it, I love it, do I hate it, is it true, is it false advertisement? We're going to get all that information. First of all, get the bronze, the self-tanning, and I got the foam because for me it's just easier to get the foam than the mist. I feel like when you do the mist, you can miss a lot of spots, and it's just easier to work with the mitt. It comes with, well, it doesn't come with, you buy it separately, but from the same brand, and it's like a fabric filling mitt, and in the inside it's plastic, so it won't sink through, so the product will not sink through. Like I've used other ones in the past that the product gets through and my hand still gets dirty, and that makes no sense, but this one doesn't, well, hopefully. So these are the two products I'll be testing out today. It's supposed to be a quick dry formula, 1 hour express, and then you rinse after an hour, and if you keep it on for 2 hours or 3 hours, you get like super dark. So I think I'm gonna leave it for 2 hours, or if you want a light color, just 30 minutes. What you want to do first is shake it. So I know a lot of girls do this with a bathing suit. I don't, because I don't like to have lines, especially if I'm gonna wear strapless outfit, which I am later. So I'm not gonna wear a bathing suit right now to tan, so I'm just gonna show you like up here, so it's like PG-13. Whoa. This is like chocolate cream or something. I'm gonna start with let's start with the chest in circular motions. Oh man, this is dark. Make sure you get the neck because you don't want an even color and look all crazy. You'll feel the product in the mitt. I mean, I feel it, so make sure that you do everything nice and even, because the last thing you want is to look all patchy. I know they sell a mitt that is also for the back, for those of you that don't have someone to like put it on for you. I did see it at the pharmacy. I bought it at Walgreens. That's the only store that has it, or you can order it online also. Really well, because the last thing you want is to have a crusty looking elbow. And while you do this, make sure that you are pressing down the skin really well with the mitt. And before I did this, the way I prepped my skin was just exfoliate, shave everywhere you gotta shave that you like to shave, and make sure you don't put any lotions or any sprays or anything before you apply this. Your skin has to be completely clean. So let's see. Whoa, the difference is huge. Look at this. And next, I'm just gonna make sure that everything's nice and even, and I go all the way down to my toes so they're, not missing any color, because that would look crazy. And that I'm pressing hard, but not too hard, but I'm pressing hard enough that I do not leave any missing spots. Also, I want to make sure that I get the crease of the back of my knee, because that is very important. Alright, so with whatever is left on the mitt, I'm just gonna do my face. I mean, hopefully I don't get any rashes. But that's why I'm gonna put an extra product, just with whatever is left on this mitt. We're all done. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna get dressed, just because I'm scared I'm gonna mess up my clothing. I'm not sure, but we'll see. And yeah, an hour from now, 2 hours from now, I'll rinse, pat lightly, and I'll keep you guys posted on my results.
Alright, you guys, so as I promised, I honestly forgot to give footage, but this is a picture of how it looked right after. You can still see the difference. It was a little darker than my my pale winter skin tone, and overall it didn't stain my dress, it didn't stain my socks, nothing. It was a great experience using this Bond Sands. It smells amazing. And yeah, if next time you're trying to get tan and all glowy, make sure you pick up one at Walgreens. So this is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, to like this video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.